There's been fresh buzz around Elon Musk potentially stepping down as Tesla's CEO. This time, it was a Wall Street Journal report suggesting Tesla's board was exploring replacements. Both Musk and Tesla quickly shut that down, but it sparked serious investor conversations. What happens to Tesla stock if Musk stays or goes? Let's break this down. Tesla isn't just an automaker, it's become a tech powerhouse in EVs, AI, and robotics, largely because of Musk's vision. But Tesla's recent struggles, from collapsing profits to global boycotts, raise a real question. Is it still worth holding Tesla stock, especially with all this leadership uncertainty? Here's the bull case. Musk is the face of innovation at Tesla. He's behind full self-driving, the robotaxi push, and the Optimus AI project. This kind of forward-looking vision is why TSLA trades at a steep premium, around 70x forward earnings. Recently, Musk committed to spending more time on Tesla, stepping back from his role in the so-called Department of Government Efficiency to just 1-2 days a week. That news alone boosted TSLA by 5%. Investors clearly still respond to Musk's involvement. Plus, Tesla isn't a startup anymore. It's an $884 billion company with huge production capacity and real operational momentum. And if the robotaxi platform launches as planned in June 2025, that could be a game changer for long-term valuation. But here's the bear case. Musk's political ties and polarizing image are hurting the brand. Q1 sales dropped 20%, and profits plunged by 71%. Tariffs and boycotts, especially in Europe, are biting hard. Wedbush estimates demand could drop another 15-20% because of Musk alone. Add in falling deliveries, rising competition from Chinese EV giants, and delays around Musk's bold promises, and suddenly, Tesla looks more vulnerable. Some big investors, like Ross Gerber, have already walked away, selling $60 million worth of TSLA stock. Bottom line, if Musk stays, hold, but only if you believe in Tesla's long-term AI and autonomy roadmap and can stomach the short-term volatility. If you're more conservative or short-term focused, it might make sense to trim or reduce your position, especially with the stock still down 30% year to date. This is the wild card. On one hand, a new CEO could help Tesla reset its brand, refocus on core EVs, and win back customers turned off by Musk's controversies. The company's got depth in its management team, with names like CFO Vaibhav Taneja and former exec Zach Kirkhorn in the wings. Plus, with institutional giants like Vanguard and BlackRock owning nearly a fifth of the company, some believe a leadership change could open the door for more traditional investors, especially if Tesla focuses on affordability and profitability. But on the flip side, Musk is the Tesla story. His departure could trigger a massive sell-off. Analysts warn the stock could tank 15-20% in the short term if he leaves, and Tesla's valuation, built on future innovation, could take a hit if that vision is no longer front and center. Without Musk, Tesla risks becoming just another car company in a market that's already fiercely competitive. So if Musk leaves, for most investors, it's probably time to sell or reduce exposure, at least until the company shows clear direction with a new leader. Long-term bulls may want to hold, but should prepare for turbulence. Tesla is in a high-stakes moment. If Musk stays and successfully executes on robotaxis and AI, the upside could be huge. But if public backlash continues or leadership shifts, there's real downside risk. Whatever your position, diversify. No single stock, no matter how innovative, is worth betting your entire portfolio on. Keep an eye on Q2 earnings, global EV demand, and Musk's follow-through. That's going to tell us whether the turnaround is real or just more hype. And as always, this is not financial advice. I'm sharing my thoughts based on publicly available information and analysis, but your investment decisions should be based on your own research, your goals, and your risk tolerance. Speak with a licensed financial advisor before making any moves in the market. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you still hold Tesla if Musk walked away tomorrow?